Hello, Stealthies! Brace yourselves for an exhilarating financial odyssey, as today we unravel the intriguing insights in trade or invest. The surprising revelations every beginner should discover. Before we set sail on this enlightening journey, make sure to be part of our financial community. Hit the like button, subscribe for a wealth of financial wisdom, and seize your exclusive personal finance ebook crafted with precision by Stealth Wealth Society. This comprehensive guide is your key to unlocking the secrets of wealth creation, providing invaluable insights and strategies for your financial journey. Now, let's navigate the fascinating truths about the immediate allure of trading and the enduring power of investing, laying the foundation for long-term prosperity. Insight number 1. The thrill of short-term gains in trading. Imagine the excitement of trying your hand at trading. The allure of quick profits in the short term can be exhilarating. Day trading or swing trading might seem like a roller coaster of gains and losses. The market's fast-paced nature can lead to rapid financial highs, but it also comes with increased risk and the need for constant attention. Trading offers a thrilling experience, but it's crucial to navigate with caution and discipline to avoid the pitfalls that come with the territory. Insight number 2. Long-term wealth creation through investing. Now, let's shift gears to investing, the seasoned marathon runner of the financial world. Investing is a patient journey of planting seeds and watching them grow into mighty oaks over time. The compounding effect, where your money earns returns on previous earnings, is the secret sauce. The long-term approach allows you to weather market storms, benefit from economic growth, and steadily build a robust financial portfolio. It's the slow and steady path to wealth creation that stands the test of time. Insight number 3. Emotional rollercoaster in trading versus steady sail in investing. Trading often involves riding an emotional rollercoaster. Daily market fluctuations can trigger anxiety, excitement, and impulsive decisions. On the flip side, investing encourages a steady sail. By focusing on long-term goals and minimizing emotional reactions to short-term market swings, you cultivate a disciplined mindset. Emotional intelligence becomes your compass, guiding you through the market's unpredictable waters, allowing for a more sustainable and less stressful financial journey. Insight number 4. Short-term tactics versus long-term strategy. Consider the difference in tactics between trading and the strategic approach of investing. Trading involves seizing short-term opportunities based on market trends, news, or technical analysis. It requires constant monitoring and quick decision-making. In contrast, investing is about building a diversified portfolio aligned with your long-term goals. It's a deliberate strategy that withstands market volatility and stands the test of time, emphasizing the importance of a thoughtful and planned approach to financial success. Insight number 5. Risk management in trading versus stability in investing. Let's delve into risk. Trading can expose you to higher risks due to the shorter time frames and market volatility. Risk management becomes crucial to survival. On the other hand, investing offers a more stable path. Diversification and a long-term perspective act as shields against uncertainties, providing a safer harbor for your financial journey. Balancing risk and stability becomes a critical aspect of deciding between the two approaches. At Stealth Wealth Society, our unwavering mission is to empower and guide young adults towards astute financial decisions that transcend the allure of luxury spending. Dive into our exclusive Financial Freedom Blueprint for young adults, available through the link in the description. This groundbreaking initiative is your comprehensive guide, providing strategic pathways to overcome debt, master the art of budgeting, make well-informed investment decisions, and set the stage for a future brimming with confidence. Don't let financial concerns be a hindrance. Seize control of your financial destiny and embark on a transformative journey towards lasting financial freedom. Click the link in the description now to make an investment in your future. Insight number 6. Skill acquisition in trading versus knowledge accumulation in investing. Trading demands a specific set of skills: quick decision-making, technical analysis, and a keen understanding of market trends. It's a skill-driven game where constant learning and adaptability are paramount. Meanwhile, investing focuses on knowledge accumulation. Understanding the fundamentals of companies, industries, and economic trends becomes your arsenal. It's about acquiring wisdom over time to make informed decisions that stand the test of time, highlighting the importance of continuous learning for financial success. Insight number 7. Time commitment in trading versus patience in investing. Consider the time commitment required for each approach. Trading often demands constant attention, glued to market movements, making it an active engagement. On the flip side, investing allows for a more passive approach. Patience becomes your ally. You don't need to be glued to the screen daily, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life while your investments work for you. The balance between time commitment and patience becomes a crucial factor in choosing the right path. Insight number 8. Flexibility in trading versus stability in investing. Flexibility plays a role in the choice between trading and investing. Trading requires adaptability to ever-changing market conditions. It's a dynamic game that demands quick adjustments to capitalize on opportunities. In contrast, investing offers stability. It's about creating a plan and sticking to it, providing a sense of security and predictability. The ability to weather short-term storms with a long-term vision is a hallmark of the investor's journey, showcasing the importance of finding the right balance between flexibility and stability. And there you have it, Stealthies. The surprising insights into the tug-of-war between trading's short-term thrills and investing's long-term wisdom. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe for more eye-opening content, and don't forget to claim your free personal financial e-book from Stealth Wealth Society. Your journey to financial mastery begins now. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep mastering your wealth.